on.
What?
I made your favorite. Eddie! Eddie! Eddie, I said I made your favorite and you want...
Walk, I said I'm not eating that, you're stressing me. No. Bro, leave me alone, just leave me.
Eddie!
I'm not eating that trash. I am not going to eat that trash.
Eddie, you call my food trash?
It's trash. Everything about you is trash. I don't want none of this, okay?
Do you know how many hours it took me to make that food for you?
I don't care. Alright? I don't care. I'm going back upstairs. Leave me alone. I'm not eating. Yesterday I was starving.
Eddie, I am your wife! Eddie! Eddie, come back here! Babe, why are you eating biscuit? There's food in that.
Hey, what is it? Can't I have some semblance of peace in my house?
I'm sorry. I made dinner. Are you not going to eat? Is everything okay? Did you have a bad day at work?
I always have a bad day whenever I see you.
Eddie!
Can you leave me alone? Please. I just want to be by myself. Ruro? Ruro, what are you doing here? What a surprise.
I think you're confusing me for someone else.
Ogene Ruro. That's Ruro now.
Happy birthday, darling! Did you like it? You like it? Come, let's cut your cake.
Far away from this insanity.
Eddie, what are you doing? Eddie! 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 Eddie, where are you going? Eddie!
Baba, this place is nice. And they really say we can also use this place as the office now, yeah? Baba, that's definitely babe. She say make I greet you specially. I don't know what to do that get chop with. She's always asking of you and stuff. I think you should take her seriously, bro. You might even date. She's quite decent, you know. Yeah, what's up now? You've been awful distracted since I got here. Are you okay?
No, it's it's nothing. It's nothing.
Well, talk to me now. What's up?
You remember Ruro, right?
Okay, Ruro.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna remember her. And then if we open your heart now, we'll see her name tattoo boldly. Because Baba, you don't craze for that girl since secondary school. Enter university.
Guy, be calming down now. That's in the past. I mean.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So why did you just remember her name out of the blue? Is everything alright?
I think she lives here.
She lives where?
There. I saw her earlier with, I think, her husband.
Okay, so did you guys stay each other?
That's the point. She looked totally drained, like a shadow of herself.
Well, you know what I think?
What?
Mind your business. Listen. She's married now. And you should be focused on getting yourself into a relationship.
What kind of talk is that? Do you think I still feel anything for her?
Or well, you don't. Because I remember how heartbroken you were.
Guy, please. Cut it off, please. It's in the past. Let it be in the past. Come on.
Okay.
Babe, can we try IVF?
How dare you suggest that?
What other option is there?
And you think IVF will stop you from having the miscarriages?
I think we should try it. Please, Eddie. We're no longer the couples we used to be. This is causing problems between us.
You know, the issue here is not conception. And you know it, so stop trying to shift the blame.
But just maybe if we try IVF, it will be better.
It is a stupid suggestion. Hey?
I don't mind going that route. Or even paying for the procedure. If I had a job or a steady source of income.
So what now? I'm the reason you don't have a job.
I'm not saying that either.
No, just turn off the light. I want to sleep. And leave the room. I want to sleep alone tonight. Leave.
Hello. I said I will pay you now. Okay, Tola, you've been my mechanic for how many years now? Have I ever owed you? I told my husband to make payment, but he forgot. I know we delayed payment for last time. Okatola, please, I need my car. I want to go out now. I thought you were bringing it today. Please. Okay. Hello, honey? This is his wife. Who are you? Hello? 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 I called your phone this afternoon and the lady picked up your phone.
It was my secretary.
I know Charity's voice.
So what now? You're calling me a liar?
Who picked up your phone? Eddie.
Is this an interrogation?
I need to know.
You need to know nothing.
Are you cheating on me? Are you seeing another woman?
And if I was?
I've allowed you walk all over me all these years. For what? My inability to bear you children?
Is this what you think it is? You killed my children. Not one, not two, not three, not even 5.
What?
Don't you dare deny it. Alright? So if I get someone else to carry my children to term, you shouldn't have a problem with it.
How dare you? How dare you say that to me?
How dare me say that to you? Huh? It's not the truth. Eh? Did you not kill my children? Where are they?
I had miscarriages and the doctors are still trying to get to the root.
It's a flimsy excuse. Okay? You're a murderer. You know what? I'm sick of this. Let me just leave you alone. I'm tired.
Eddie, what did you just call me?
You heard me. You're a murderer, Ruro.
How dare you call me a murderer? I have laid my life on the line for the longest. I have sacrificed everything and anything to get pregnant and carry your child. What effort have you made? What?
Efforts? What do you mean by efforts? Who got you pregnant in the first place? Look, woman, just admit that your womb can't carry my children, okay?
Eddie!
Go ahead. Give it up. Give it up in exchange for the lives you lost.
Eddie, where are you going to? Eddie, please wait. Eddie, please wait. We can talk things through, please, Eddie. Eddie, please wait. Fuck, Eddie. Eddie, please wait. Where are you going to? Eddie. Eddie, where are you going to? Eddie, please wait. Eddie, please wait. We can talk things through, please, Eddie. Eddie, please. Eddie. 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 Oh my God. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my God, oh my God.
Oh, hi.
What do you want?
What's going on?
No.
I heard you scream. What's?
Just.
Are you okay? Ruro! Ruro! Hey, you're awake.
What are you doing here?
You collapsed, so I brought you in. Your door was open.
Thanks. You can leave now.
Ruro.
Don't call my name.
You denied knowing me. Did you have to go to that extent? You said I must have met the wrong person. Yet I knew it was you, live in the flesh. After so many years.
Are you done? You can leave now.
That's fine. I'll be in my apartment if you need anything.
Guy, we need to get serious about this office thing. So, I spoke to the agent, right? He told me there's a space at the mall, but it's at the back. It's less busy, but I don't think it's bad. Are you listening to me?
Yeah. I deal with you. What's up?
What's wrong with you? Are you okay?
I just keep wondering how she's doing.
Wait, you're wondering how who's doing? Ruro?
Look, I just feel bad for her, that's all.
Wait, don't tell me you're still in love with this girl.
Guy, can you just stop? Really?
That is not the question that I asked you.
The relationship I had with Ruro ended up 6 years ago. We clearly have both moved on. Ha.
Wait, is she married the same guy that
I don't know, and honestly, I don't care. Guy. How are you?
Okay. Anyways, like I was saying, that you refuse to listen, me and you, we have to go and check the place. Both of us.
Agreed. Fine, we'll go. Check it out. That's fine.
Because I mean, the client was trying to meet with me. I was like, let's meet at the office. I just used to talk, saying, no, let's just have dinner. Let's do
I
this.
don't hear you now. We go, guy.
It's alright. Confirm this pin. Is this the same thing you have?
Yeah.
Confirm.
Yeah, it's fine. It works.
Okay.
It works.
Let me note that as well.
Yeah.
And then, what else? When you read this book finish?
You'll be jonesing yourself now. So come and read Kumari, you're going to, I don't understand. What's your plan yourself?
Papa, you see how many pages be this book? 400 and waiting. How many weeks?
This guy. Why I can't come school life? I don't want to read.
I've been starting now, but like, the beginning was slow. So if you read it, explain it to me now. Oh, this book large, oh.
They follow pay our 2 school fees together.
Yes, come in.
Don't they do any...
Hey.
Hey guys.
You're welcome.
Sorry for the delay. The lecture is late. How are you?
Good to see you. You're welcome. Just sit. Come and sit. You're welcome.
Hey Nelson.
Yes. I'm Nelson.
Of course she knows you're Nelson. Baba, I went to the same secondary school. What the?
I know you.
You live here now?
Yes, sir. What can we offer for you?
I don't know anything. I'm starving.
Confirm. We have beans. Let's give you beans.
Ew.
It's nice, though. I made it. No, he made it, but...
You cook?
Let me get it for you. It's nice, though. You're going to enjoy it.
So, tell me. What do you like?
Cooking beans. Sorry, how?
Like, what are your likes and dislikes and stuff like that?
What do they stop now? Don't they para, they rake anyhow.
Guy. You be fool.
What do I do?
The same girl where we say you don't define all your life. You don't think about this girl. You don't think straight. I can't give you. She sits down for you and you just don't like that.
You can't give me.
Yes, now, but everybody knows that you like this girl. Even the rap for secondary school knows that you like this girl.
Baba, don't be the matter with that guy. I know who it now. That babe, Ruro, that babe now from rich home.
I beg you, which one be say rich home? You're not doing bad. They do Babiala.
That one save day, but guy, if I did see that girl like this, I did cut liver.
Okay. This girl they find liver. Wait, you never see that girl shape?
Guy.
You know how many girls they on top of that game matter? You go to find liver before you know she go don't get boyfriend. On there. My God.
Guy, I love that girl die.
You get luck say you be my friend. If not,
wetin go happen?
aha.
Wetin go happen? Take your time. No play that kind of play. No, guy.
So wait, make it like her for your mind, and they like her, they go for your mind. For your mind, so that she go know by herself. She go feel her for where she did.
Now you're like.
I didn't know you, self. Huh? You're not anything like me, guy.
Hey Nelson.
Hi.
Where's Malik?
Malik, he stepped out. He said he wanted to get something else.
He was meant to help me with my assignments.
Your own?
Yes.
I'll do it.
Really?
I'll do your assignment for you.
I thought you were going out.
No. I don't have any destinations. Will you?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the food. It was nice.
Like
really
it?
Nice. Yeah.
I shall try. It's about raining now. Should I walk you down?
I'm not in a hurry.
Okay.
How does it feel like you're trying to chase me out?
No. No.
I just thought we should talk. I mean, I figured we don't know much about each other.
Eh?
Relax, I don't bite.
I know.
So, do you have a girlfriend?
Me? When? Who told you?
Nobody, I'm just asking.
I don't have a girlfriend, no. If things are like, I can even ask Malik. He's my best friend. If there's anything about me you want to know, just ask him. Moreover, you're the only girl I've ever liked.
I guess.
Look, it's not...
Are you trying to take it back?
No. Why are you not laughing at me?
No, it's just that you're funny and cute. Okay, so what next? Now we both know we like each other.
Kukuma be my girlfriend now. Okay, that came out wrong. Sorry. It's just that
It's okay. I'll be your girlfriend.
It's a lie. Hey. Wait, there's something about. There's something about.
Thank you.
My girlfriend.
My favorite.
Ah! Hello, Malik. Who be that? Guy, you know I'm not interested in that girl. You see, you've started with all this your mumu talk again, guy. Is it by force? Is it by force? If you like her that much, why don't you take her on a date and marry her afterwards? Guy, free me, I beg.
Welcome, guy.
Sir, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Please, can you get the organizer to check the car? I think the two back tires, they're a bit low, okay?
The two back tires?
Yes.
I'll call him right now.
All right.
Both side. Get what I want to tell you. Let's say, Ogaidi and Madam, they fight. And since yesterday now, Madam never even come out. You never show peace. Now, why I say, you know, say Ogaidi, you don't believe, like, say, you get close, you get Ogai. So he's affecting everybody, he's affecting me. Now why I say I tell you?
But why are you giving me this information?
Hey, I'm sorry, guy. Now because say you know say you helped Madam yesterday night. My bad. I'm sorry.
Just get the organizer.
I'll get the organizer. Charlie, why everything I would do? What concern me? Is it my own business? Hey, boy, I like Madam. Now, the time see if you go now, she go give me 500, she go give me 1 bed. Now, I don't see anything to take. Eh? Eh? Well, I don't miss her. She no commode. Okay? Oh.
Hey.
Hi, Ruro.
Hi.
I just came to see how you're doing.
I'm fine.
Great. Can I sit?
Look, Nelson. We were friends in the past. But that's the past. I have my life to focus on. If you don't mind, please don't come here again. Please leave.
Guy, stop this now, guy. Stop now.
Stop what exactly, bro? What are you doing? Are you laying foundation to get hurt again?
What is that even supposed to mean?
Wait, have you forgotten how this girl left you while you were in a relationship and got married while both of you were dating?
And why are you bringing that up now?
No, I intentionally want to rub pepper, Cameroon pepper in that wound in case you've forgotten.
But I don't pursue the babe now. I'm not chasing her. Look, guy, I just sense that she's going through a phase and I'm willing to help.
As Mother Teresa that you are now, and you're Nelson Mandela, guy, let sleeping dogs lie.
Okay, you want me to leave her, right? Let me ask you a question. What happened to our friendship? Have you forgotten? Were we not all once friends?
Well, she broke my guy's heart. That is what freaking changed.
And I'm the guy whom she broke her heart and I'm saying let it be. It's in the past. I don't hold any grudge.
Guy. I'm not sure what exactly you are trying to do, but no good is going to come out of it. I don't see why you're trying to be an entanglement in somebody else's marriage.
That is not what I'm trying to do. Like I said earlier on, I sense she's going through a phase and I'm trying to help. Is there anything wrong in helping?
Okay. She's not here with you. Okay. Well done, sir. TV goes for you. Because I say fly when on the air word. They follow the body enter grave. Talawa. Under Italawa. Just
Musa! Where is Musa now? Musa! Musa! This boy go to which kind of security guy with this one now?
So you're seriously going to lie to yourself and pretend like we don't know each other?
Hi, Malik.
I regret having invested so much time in whatever we call that was a friendship. But I have one word of caution for you though. Stay away from my guy.
What makes you think I'm after him? You're this stupid to think I'm not over a relationship that ended 5 years ago. Look around. I am a married woman.
Listen, I don't care if you're single, married, divorced, or widowed. If you hurt my guy, again, you're going to see a side of me that you do not like.
Hello? Hello?
What do you want?
I've been trying to call you all day to no avail.
Get to the point. I'm busy.
I tried to use the credit card to pay for something.
I blocked it.
What? Why would you do that?
Because I don't want you spending my money.
Eddie, I wanted to get groceries and you know that that's the only way I can pay for these things. I have no other... Eddie, what has gotten into you?
Don't call my phone again.
Hello? 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 this boy? Hello, Musa.
Hello, madam.
Where are you? I've been calling you. Where are you?
I didn't say toilet.
I can see lights in other apartments. And I don't have lights in mine. What happened?
Lights day. If you listen at your meter have problem.
Well, my meter can't have problem. My meter is works perfectly.
No. You don't forget, say I tell you, say the thing don't they do ping. You don't show it. Now the money where they get it don't expire. You need to recharge.
Oh, okay.
If you don't recharge, it go come up.
Okay, I'll recharge it. God. Eddie handles this light thing.
Hey, good evening, guy. How was your day?
Very well, thank you, Musa. How are you?
I'm very fine, sir.
So please, first thing in the morning, okay? You help me wash the car.
You okay?
Yes.
Why not? I'll wash it. It's very easy, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Musa,
Ma'am.
is there power outage?
Oh, please.
Power outage, like no electricity, no lights.
There's lights. Lights is everywhere. We have lights. There's lights everywhere.
So what's...
Madam, I don't really say they don't get light to the light don't.
I see.
Yes.
Okay, please.
Yes. No, because even the thing on the do pian 6, if they give alarm and I tell my dad no yet. So if I say they are prepared, don't finish.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Like I said in the morning, please, the car. Huh?
That one is sponsor, guy. If I don't wash out, what I again? If I don't wash, I will say again. What I again? If I don't wash, I will get carry what I again.
Are you preparing for like a Guinness World Record? Because this is like what? Your 50th side?
Guy, I knocked repeatedly and no one responded. Should I be worried?
I don't understand. Worried about somebody else's wife?
Malik, you can't be this hard-hearted now. She used to be your close friend.
Used to. Bro, that was a long time ago. You know what? I don't even want to talk about it anymore. Are you done with the proposal?
Almost done.
Guy, we need to get that thing done and send to Kem. And sign as soon as possible. Nelson. Baba, you hear me?
Guy, I didn't hear you now. I've heard you.
When they talk to you, they answer me now. Why? Because of your problem. Everything you're going through is self-inflicted, as far as I'm concerned.
Unfortunately for me. Babe, meds are here, okay? You have to take them after me. Hmm?
I'm not hungry.
Hey, but you have to eat in order to take your meds now.
Babe, I'm going to drop.
You won't. Okay, look. I'll feed you myself. Bits, okay? Bits by bits. I won't force you to take much, okay?
Nelson.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
What for? What are you thanking me for?
No one loves me the way you do. I promise never to forget everything you've done for me.
Hey, baby. I love you. More than you know.
And if I die?
You won't die. Stop saying that. You just have malaria now.
Okay, so if I don't, let's be together forever.
Oh well. I love you. It's okay. Yeah, hold on. 1 sec. Oh. Hi. Hi.
I just wanted to say thank you for your help yesterday.
It's fine. The doctor said you were dehydrated and stressed, so how are you feeling today?
Better.
Yeah, great. Would you care for something to drink?
No. I just came to say thank you. Bye. Thanks again.
Bye.
Hello?
What is it? How many times do I need to tell you to get off my back?
The power is finished. Please recharge.
Yeah, hold on. 1 quick second. What was it? Did you forget something?
Can I stay here for a while?
Huh?
I'm alone at home and the light is not restored yet. Are you busy?
I was, but you're here, so it's fine. Please, come in.
Okay.
You can just sit here.
Thanks.
I was actually in the kitchen, you know, cooking. So just give me 1 minute. Let me go check what I have on the gas. Just 1 minute, okay?
Thanks for the food.
You're welcome.
I was surprised that we were neighbours.
Yeah, same here. Same here.
You and Malik, you guys work together?
We co-founded a business together. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
You guys have always been close.
Yes, we have. And what about you?
Me? What about me?
Like, where do you work? What do you do for work?
I stay home.
You're a housewife.
A homemaker.
Knowing you, you always had this flair for working. What changed?
I just realized I prefer to stay at home.
I see.
I have to go. Thanks for the food.
You're most welcome. Can I see you off?
No, thank you. Bye.
Eh?
Yes, so.
Well, you mean she said all of that?
You have no idea. She even said she likes being a...
Wait. That has to be the fattest I have heard since the inception of time.
Calm down. She even said she likes being a homemaker.
The same rule. Back in school, she was either selling jewelry or second-hand clothes or something. It was even hard to picture her as a rich man's daughter.
Same person we tagged rags to riches because of how hard she hustled.
Guy! What happened to her, bro?
No idea. I was even surprised when she came to the house yesterday. Trust me now, I just played cool.
It's life, John. Anyways, we'll have a meeting for 2 o'clock tomorrow.
Stanford? He agreed.
My brother.
Guy, calm down. Don't whine me. He actually agreed.
Do I look like I'm whining you?
We need to pop something.
Guy, what
just chillax.
The thing do me like play, oh.
He actually agreed.
Baba.
Stanford.
When they told me, I was like, I had to play cool. Like, I mean, in my mind, I don't feel the rule for ground.
Say no more.
But for my mind, I don't feel
say no more. Say no more.
What are you saying?
Bro.
I just played it with
say no more.
I was just like, oh, okay, so I mean, that's all right. That's okay.
My
God. Guy.
Stanford agreed.
So the moment he was like, okay, so we'll talk numbers, I was like, okay, yeah. I was like, oh, we do this all the time, you know.
Guy, you get sugar for that. Ta-da!
For me?
Happy birthday, baby. Whose birthday is it?
Mine.
Of course.
Oh.
I'm sorry, I couldn't get you cake. I couldn't afford it.
Stop. Babe, I'm content and happy with whatever you give me. Because I
Are you sure?
You know I'm not a good liar. Right?
At all. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
I'll give you the world, you know. I love you so much. I love you more than physics.
And chemistry.
And all the sciences put together. Babe? Promise to give you the world. I know I don't have half as much as your family does, but it's not even up to a drop. But I promise that I'll do everything in my power to make you happy. I love you so much, my Ruro.
I love you.
You are the absolute love of my life. Would you marry me?
Yes, 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 yes.
I love you so much.
I love you. To buy with this.
Yes. I mean, she borrowed my car to go for shopping, only for her to come back with almost nothing. I was surprised and asked if that was all she wanted to get, and she was telling me she didn't have enough money. Look, Malik, I'm telling you, there's more than meets the eyes. You remember I told you she was having issues with her husband, right? The guy even left her. Guy, be serious now. I know, I'm only trying to help. Come on, guy. You know that's not possible. All right, Nita. Hi. So it's Saturday, so I was wondering if you're willing to hang out.
Hang out?
Yeah, I mean, you could always say no if you're up for it.
Where are we going?
Just a few places. I know there's a great place where we can, bowl, and afterwards we go to a restaurant, have something
Sounds
nice.
fun.
You game?
Yeah. Please give me some time. I'll go change.
All right, great. I'll be at my place. When you're ready, just holler.
Okay.
Awesome. So beautiful.
I hope I didn't keep you waiting.
No, I just got here. Shall we?
Yeah.
Hey! What you yelling now? What you yelling now? Hey! Hey! Madam for apartment B and Oga for apartment A. They don't get together like this. What is going on? What is going on? I broke you say now. Wallahi, you know go promote time till you come. Hey! What you yelling now? I broke you say now. This what you are brought here to do. Now your business is this. Yes, this is my business. Let me do my business. So, hey!
Hey!
You still remember the song?
Of course I remember this song. We used to sing it all the time.
Yeah. Look, you know you can not talk about it if you're not up for it, right?
I just want to say thank you for taking me out. I haven't hung out in a while, so thank you. Your girlfriend is so lucky to have.
Well, I don't have one yet, so.
Why? You're such a great catch.
Let's just be concentrating fully on my business. So, maybe later. Why?
Oh?
Your husband. Why does he treat you the way he does?
What are you talking about?
Your husband doesn't treat you right, and I can see it.
We've been married for 5 years. No kids.
So?
I've had miscarriages. 6 in total.
Wow, I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. That's the one thing I can't do. I envy women who just give birth with ease, you know?
So you're just going to put the blame on yourself?
Who's to be blamed? It's not his fault. I conceive. But I won't.
Hold on, look. you can't just heap the blame on yourself alone. This is not a you problem. It's a problem for the both of you. I mean, you're a couple, right?
Not everyone is you, Nelson. Thanks for today.
Hey. Good night, Ruro.
Good night. Hey. Good night, Ruro.
It smells just like you.
No, please. Just put yourself together. This is my bedroom.
Kiss me.
Come on, you have to go.
No,
You have
kiss
to.
me.
You have to go.
Kiss me.
You're drunk. You need to get some sleep. I'm in the guest room. I feel sorry for her. She's a complete shadow of herself.
Yeah, I could tell she was really, really unhappy.
What can I really do to help her without crossing the line?
Yeah, I don't know. You tell me.
You know, yesterday when I asked her to leave the house, I saw how bad it stung her ego.
I'm still trying to make sense out of the whole thing though. So, she left you. She left you for a guy who treats her like trash and does not deserve her at all.
Not only that, he practically controls all of their finance. He put a specific amount in the card, and that's all she can use.
Subhanallah. That's a classic case of a bondage.
I really feel sorry for her.
Oh.
Hey. You're not talking to me?
What are you doing here?
I came to say sorry.
It's fine, you were right.
Are you alone?
Isn't it obvious?
Okay, so would you mind coming over to my place and let's play again?
No. So you can chase me out again.
Look, I promise I will not do that again.
Sure?
Okay. I cross my heart. Hold on. I'll deal with you today. Pick 2.
You're so mean.
You're a soul loser. Pick 2, Joe. Tell her how you think I'll pity you this game. Pick 2, let me fire. Continue. What are you doing? You think I did not see what you just did now?
Well, you're obviously hallucinating.
Auntie, bring it out.
Bring
Come on.
what out?
What did you just...
I didn't do anything.
If I don't find those cards, there's
What
nothing
card?
you're doing here again.
What card? What card? What are you talking about?
Raise your legs up. You put cards there. See your hands. See your hands now. Come here, Joe. You think you can see if I don't get those cards, I don't play the game. No. Come on.
You must stop.
Come here.
Can we not talk about this?
We can't avoid this forever, Ro. We both still have chemistry for each other, no doubt.
So what? You're going to avoid me?
No.
Are we going to stop spending time with each other?
No. We'll still be friends.
You're not going to run away from me?
I will not run away from you. But out of respect for your husband, I won't touch you.
He's cheating on me. No, I know he is.
He could be. But two wrongs don't make it right, does it? And I can't take advantage of this, can I?
You're right. I'm sorry. Perhaps the loneliness is talking. Or maybe I'm lost. You coming into my life has turned everything around. Don't you know that? I used to be so lonely. I have no friends, no one. It's just me and Eddie. Sometimes he just switches off and on. I feel like I'm some load he wants to get off his chest.
Hey. Don't do that.
You saw how he treats me. And now he's left. And I don't know where I stand.
But you would have averted all this from the start. Why did you break up with me in the first place? Why did you leave me? I mean, we're so much in love with each other. Things were starting to look good for us. We just finished NYC and I just got a good job. And next thing, I got a text message from you and that was it. I was shocked when I found out that you were getting married when I came looking for you. Ruro, were you dating your husband behind me?
It's not what you think.
You played me for a fool, Ruro.
It's not what you think. My dad threatened to cut my mother off if I didn't marry Eddie. And you know my mother. She lives and breathes money. She wouldn't have survived without my father's wealth. And he threatened to hurt you, Nelson. Nelson, he wanted to hurt you. There is no way I would have lived with myself if the two people I love the most in this world were hurt. He made me marry the man I never loved. Eddie knows how to get me. I was young. There was nothing I could do. There was no way out for me. Everything I tried looking for a way out. I prayed that you would rescue me, you know? But I didn't want anything to happen to you. So I had to marry him. I couldn't do anything. If it was now, I would have said, no, Dad. I have my life to live, right? But at that time, I was so young. And I married Eddie. Eddie knew how to take my financial freedom away from me. He knew that was the one thing he could use to get me grounded. He would not allow me to work. I would ask Eddie for money to eat. I would ask Eddie for money to do my hair. I would ask Eddie for money for the laundry, the lights, everything. My life revolved around him. And the one reason I did, she's gone. My mother is gone. She's gone.
It's okay. Okay.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Nancy. I couldn't leave you. It just was beyond my control. I'm so sorry. There's no way I would have wanted to hurt you.
It's okay.
I swear to God, I loved you. You were the one thing that was right in my life.
I understand now. It's okay. Go here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm so sorry, Nelson. I'm ready, babe. I'm ready.
You look surprised.
What are you doing here?
This is my house. What kind of question is that? Going somewhere? Is there anything to eat in this house? I'm hungry. Get me something to eat.
Ruro, have you ever considered that possibility? The possibility that Eddie could have low quality sperm, and that could be the reason for your miscarriages. high levels of sperm DNA fragmentation have been shown to double the likelihood of a miscarriage occurring.
You look different.
I do.
Yeah. You look happy. Can you share the reason for this joy?
Eddie, let's go and run some more tests.
Again?
Yes. But this time on you, not on me.
So what are you going to do?
What do you expect me to do? Go put on a coat and battle armor and go grab someone else's wife?
So when you two were acting like it was old times, you didn't think it was going to come to this, huh? I would have said it serves you right. But I actually feel sorry for her. And for you too, maybe just a little bit. So if, from what you tell me, I understand that she married this guy, to protect her mom. Now that her mom is dead, unfortunately, if you ask me, there's nothing still keeping her in the marriage.
So, what happens to her dad?
Baba, you know small again now. You're a man now, you can't face him. What's the worst he can do?
You're forgetting she's still legally married to her husband.
Why do you talk like this now? What happened to a divorce? Are you sure you love this girl?
What kind of question is that? How can you even ask me that?
Because I think that if you do, you'd actually fight for her.
Eddie. Eddie!
Oh.
Are you going to pretend like nothing happened?
The doctor said I can undergo treatment.
Treatment? How about how you made me feel being married to you?
Are we going to go back to that? I didn't know...
Eddie! You have a low quality sperm. And that's what has been affecting our babies. No matter how I tried, they couldn't leave.
Like I said, I will get treatment.
So what now? You're going to shove all the years of treating me like trash under the carpet?
Why are you making a mountain out of a molehill? I'll get treatment and we'll have our babies and everything will be fine.
You left me in this house all by myself with no penny. You've never for one day treated me as your wife, but a slave.
Why do you keep going back to that?
I bet you went to your side chick and got her pregnant. And just when you thought that everything would be different, she miscarried. I was so stupid. I shouldn't have let anyone dictate my future.
Ruro, we'll get treatment. What's with all this emotional talk? Can you stop? The doctor says I'll be fine when we get treatment.
It's fine. You get treatment, but count me out of it.
Ruro. Ruro. They don't have anything to your name.
I would rather roam the street than stay married to a wicked man like you.
Don't push it. We have a chance to have kids here.
I don't want to have kids with you.
How can you say that? We're married.
I am getting a divorce.
Does your dad know this? I'm sure he won't be happy knowing that you're throwing tantrums.
He has no power over me anymore. I'm not the little girl he bullied to do his will.
Where do you think you're going? Are you mad?
Hey.
Who are you?
Try to touch her again, I will call the police.
Call the police. Because I'm talking to my wife, you think I can get arrested?
Call this talking? You're trying to assault her.
Stay out of this, mister.
I won't.
What is going on here?
This marriage is over. I'm leaving you. I sacrificed my life for 5 years and stayed married to you because of my dad. But not anymore. No one, I repeat, no one will take charge over my life ever again.
Fine. Fine. You want to leave? That's fine. I also stayed in this marriage this long because of my dad. You think you're the only one in this prison of marriage? I am as well. So you can get out. I don't want to ever see you again. Get out!
Sleepyhead. Good morning.
Good morning.
I made you breakfast.
Thank you.
I'll be heading out for a meeting by noon, so would you like to stay here or come with me?
I'll come with you.
Awesome. Alright, eat up. Then we'll go have a bath, okay? Alright.
Nelson.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Why?
For being a good person. For having a kind heart. Even after the way I treated you when we met again. You still cared for me.
Okay. I don't want to ever see you suffer. Okay? And oh, before I forgot, your ex-husband, he signed the divorce papers. They're in the living room.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Though my lawyer says it's going to take a few months to be finalized.
I don't care if it takes 10 years. As far as I'm not with that man anymore. I'll just get a place to stay, but I'll stay here for a while.
Why get a place?
I don't want to inconvenience you. You've done enough.
Hey, stay with me. I know you just got out of a bad marriage, but the truth is, I never stopped loving you, Ruro. I know right now you might not feel the same.
I love you. I've always loved you. I will always love you.
After your divorce, we're getting married. Okay? Alright, eat up. Let me have a bath, okay? Okay.
on, take it.
Wedding is in and left though. The wedding. Oh, you have your ring?
Yeah.
There, right?
Yeah.
Finally. Name her.
Susie.
No. Natasha. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Fine.
Are you alright?
Ah!
Babe, what is it?
I think my water just broke.
Come.
Ah!
Easy. Easy. Let's get it right.
Ah!
Easy. Easy.
Ah!
Easy.
Ah!
Easy, my love. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go on, steady.
Babe, have you packed the bags?
Yeah, already. Easy. You can't just stay, okay? Easy. Breathe in. That's it. Let's go.
Babe, you need to go get the bags.
Let's go.
Cold.
Easy. Okay, almost there.